Hi guys, this is part 2 of our lecture series on computing and understanding averages. So as a refresher, here are the chapter objectives. For this module, this time we are talking about specifically the median function. So let's talk about what the median is first. So the median is the midpoint in a set of scores. So whereas the mean is the middle point for a set of values, the median is the midpoint in a set of scores, or in other words, looking at Excel in a set of rows. So it's the point at which 50% of the scores are above the middle point and 50% are below that score. So I'm going to switch over to Excel so that I can illustrate this a little easier. Okay, so here is that same Excel worksheet that we were working with for the mean video. Now when I say 50% of the scores are above it, 50% are below it for the median, I've got 5 scores here. Let's just look at class 1 for this example. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the middle score is going to be this third score, but we need to, if we were not doing this in Excel, we would put the scores in order from smallest to largest and then find the middle score. Now luckily with Excel we don't have to sort them. We can use a function. So I'm going to go over here and type median. We can use the median function. So remember in the last video we talked about how if you want to find the mean you have to use the average function. In Excel, oh, I spelled it wrong. Median is literally called median. So again, make it blue and then double click on it. And then I can highlight. So in this case, for this class 1, the median is 32. Now you notice in 32 it's not in the middle because I haven't sorted these. If I were to sort these, it would go 15, 23, 32, 33, 34. So in this case, median is 32. Median will always be one of the scores that is in whatever you highlighted for Excel to calculate. So if you get 33.4, something has gone wrong because it should be an actual score that's in this list, okay? So I'm going to copy this over so we can see what the median is. So here's 36. I can see that's right there. The median for this one is 19. It's right there. Okay, so this is the median for a set, median for the class, because that is the column. Now I can do the same thing over here. I can do median for the day of the week. I'll do the same thing, equals median, and then highlight my 3. Now again, there's 3 here, so it's going to be one of those 3 scores that is in the middle. In this case, it's 23. Okay, so there's the rest of my medians. So this is the median for the day. Now you'll notice with the mean, I have decimals. Okay, that is because that is that middle point, that average. So it's not going to be one of these scores. It's going to be whatever the average is. But the median does not have decimals because none of my scores have decimals. So that's your first check to see if the median has been calculated correctly, is that if there's no decimals here and it matches the scores that are here. Okay? In the next video, we're going to talk about mode and use a different data set.